Fourth class, Unit 4, Knowing Numbers. Third question. I am a 2-digit number with 6 in unit place and 1 in tens place. Who am I? So this is a 2-digit number. So it have ones place, tens place, and 6 in unit place. So 6 in ones place and 1 in tens place. 1 in tens place. So the number is 16. Next, fourth question. A lie between 300 and 400. The digit in my unit place is same as the digit in my tens place. So here the digit in the unit place and digit in the tens place both are same, and the number lie between 30 to 40. 30 to 40 only. So from 30 to 40 we have all numbers 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36 up to 39. So in these numbers only 33 have same number in ones place and tens place. So our answer is 33. Next, fifth question. Find all the 2-digit numbers whose digit in the tens place is twice the digit in the unit place. So that is a 2-digit number. So it have ones place and tens place, and here the tens place is twice the digit in the unit place. So ones place number is half in the tens place. So if we take 1 in ones place, that 2 twice the tens place. So 1 into 2, 2. In tens place we have 2. If we take 2 in ones place, in tens place 2 2 ja 4. If we take 3 in ones place, in tens place 3 2 ja 6. If we take 4 in ones place, in tens place 4 2 ja 8. So if we take 5 in ones place, in tens place 5 2 ja 10, but this is a 3-digit number. We need only 2-digit numbers. So 21, 42, 63 and 84 are the answers. Next, find all the 2-digit numbers having the same digit in the unit place and tens place. So in unit place and tens place, the digits are same. So if we take 1 in ones place, tens place also 1, 2 in ones place, tens place also 2, 3 in ones place, tens place also 3. So if we observe the numbers 11, 22, 33, this is a 11 table. So we can write directly 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99. But if we write 11 10 ja 110, that is a 3-digit number. So that is wrong. So only 11, 22, 33, 44, 55, 66, 77, 88, 99 are the answers. Next, seventh question. I am a 3-digit number. The digit in my 100 place is 6. The digit in my tens place is 0. And the digit in unit place is 9. Who am I? So this is a 3-digit number. So you have ones place, tens place, 100 place. And in 100 place number is 6. And tens place number is 0. Unit place number is 9. So the number is 609. Eighth question. Find all the 3-digit numbers whose digit in the 100 place is 3 times the digit in the unit place and the digit in the tens place is 1. So here in tens place the digit is always 1 and 100 place number is 3 times the ones place number. So 3-digit number we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place, and in tens place always 1. If we take 1 in ones place, the 100 place number is 3 times to the ones place. So 1 3 ja 3. If we take 2 again, 2 3 ja 6. If we take 3 times, 3 3 ja 9. So if you take 4, 3 4 ja 12, but that is a 4-digit number. So only we have 3 numbers, 311, 612, 911. Next, ninth question. Find all the numbers that lie between 500 and 600 whose digit in the unit place is the same as the digit in the tens place. So the number lie between 500 to 600. That means all the numbers from 500 to 600 have 5 only in hundreds place, and the 3-digit number. So we have ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Next, the unit place is same as the digit in the tens place. So that number lie between 500 600. So 100 place we always have 5, and here ones place and tens place both are same. So if you take ones place 1, tens place also 1. Next, if you take ones place 2, tens place also 2. If you take ones place 3, tens place also 3. So like that we can write 544, 555, 566, 577, 588 and 599. 10th question, Gauri has 2000 and 210 rupees notes. How much money does she have? Gauri has 2000 rupees and 210 rupees notes. So 2000 rupees note 1, 2000 rupees note, again 2 10 rupee notes, 2 10 rupees notes. So 1 10 rupee, another 10 rupees note. So how much money does she have? Gauri has 2000 and 2 10 rupee notes. So 2000, 2010, 2020. 2000 plus 10 rupees, again 10 rupees. So by doing addition, 0, 1 plus 1, 2, 0, 2. So she have 2020 rupees. Next, write the expanded form of the following numbers. So 347, 300, 300, 4 tens, 7 ones. So this 300 we can write 3 into 100, and this 4 tens we can write 4 into 10, and this 7 ones 7 into 1. Next, this 300 we can write 300 in numbers, 40 in number, 7 in number. Next, 804, 8 hundreds, 0 tens, 4 ones. So 800, 8 into 100, 0 tens means 0 into 10, 4 ones, 4 into 1. So 8 into 100 we can write 800, 0 into 10 always 0, 4 into 1 4. Next, 532, 5 hundreds, 3 tens, 2 ones, 5 into 100, 3 into 10 plus 2 into 1. Next, 5 into 100, 500, 3 into 10, 30, 2 into 1, 2. Next, fill in the blanks appropriately. 456, 456, 631, 600, 631. Next, 876 in hundreds place. So zeros, ones, tens, hundreds. 800, so 100 plus 8, and 76, 76. So 876. Next, 900, so 100 place 9, 68, 68, 968. Next, what are the largest and smallest 3-digit numbers that you can make by using the you can make with the given digits? 763, 763, the biggest number. If you write in big number to small number, we get the biggest number, 763. From small number to big number, we get the small number, 367. Same, 3429, big number. From big number to small number, 9432, 9432. Small number, from small number to big number, 2349, 2349.